Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be how I decorate for Vanellope Von Schweetz theme party. I'm going to show you how I did this banner and how I decorate my candy table. Let's get started!
I have this one. This is a cake topper. I've made it on my Cricut with paper. Look at that. So this way you don't have to have a specific decoration on the cake, and then they can save it and just plank it. So we're going to try to do this Vanellope in this board. In that board we got it, well, I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's a foam board, white. This is, what did I say? 29.5 by 20. So this is, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and draw Vanellope Von Schweetz, and I'm just copying from my phone, as in I'm looking at my phone and drawing in here, and you're gonna see it in high speed. That is Vanellope. It is for Luna's birthday. She's gonna be turning 6 this year. And this cake topper, I did do Mexican candies and Mexican things that my daughter likes, instead of like candy that Vanellope uses, like sita pelón, the dubalín, mazapan, pan dulce, concha, agua de horchata, those cookies with the marshmallows, the churros, paleta payaso, another dubalín, because this is vanilla and strawberry, and this is chocolate and strawberry. Haha, there's two kinds. And then the paleta de mango. Yeah. And right here I was trying to do like a candy cane thing, but it didn't work, but oh well. So, too much chattering. Let's get to it. So I'm going to be doing her. I just put Vanellope Von Schweetz on the Google Images, and that's what it came out, and that's what I'm going to try and do over here. And yeah, I'm going to try to... There you go. That's how Vanellope looks. I use markers, like the Crayola water markers, and then use color pencils for her eyes, and I actually use a crayon for like skin color, and the rest of it you saw it was a Sharpie around black, so it would stand out more. I think it came out super nice. Luna loved it.
And now I'm going to show you how I set up the candy table and my candy cart that my husband made for me. And I'm going to show you the items that you probably already saw if you saw the hauls where I got these things and how I pack some of my candy. So let's get started. I'm not sure if I showed you everything that I had, but I probably did. So let's get started to setting up my candy table or candy cart.
did it this way, all the way that way. Hopefully you could see it. The lighting's not so good. Look at that. Look at that. And then the happy 6th birthday. Hopefully the air doesn't tip it off. But ta-da! Basic setup.